Bye-bye, guys.
Every day, when Ria zips up her bag, a brand new world begins to wake. Meet the gang. Pencil, eraser, crayons, lunchbox, and ruler. Ready for a brand new day of stories.
Make way, premium ink has arrived.
Intruder alert!
Lunchbox, what are you hiding?
I bet it's the samosa from yesterday.
Old is gold.
When egos collide, it's pencil versus pen. Hold on tight, it's a bag quake. Oh no! Not just for food, Lunchbox became the hero of the day.
Lunchbox.
They may look like ordinary things, but inside, they live a new story every day.